come out and rescue my son because he can't figure out that it's nasty and the winds are like, you know, see all this snow blowing outside? Here he is, standing outside. Everybody else inside. Ew. What you doing, baby? What you doing, Gizmo? What you doing? Isn't it a little cold? Isn't it a little cold out here for you, buddy? My little man? Why are you out in the snowstorm? Oh, I know you look absolutely adorable in the snowstorm, but you know, it's kind of windy. It's kind of windy. Out here trying to talk to the girls through the windows? What are we doing? What are we doing, buddy? What are we doing? This didn't seem like a wise decision for you to be outside. It's a blustery day, buddy. Look, you're getting all wet. Look at that angle, though. That nose is cute. That's cute. But we gotta get you inside, Mr. Silly Pony. Minnie with an attitude. We gotta go inside. We gotta go inside. You know, and I'm gonna shut you inside because apparently we have low judgment skills.